Hello. How are you? Today I'm going to make one of my most favorite sandwiches, BLTs, with tomatoes from my garden, lettuce not from the garden, bacon, and the Blackstone Grill. I'm going to start with the bacon. I got the grill warmed up already. I think this is a pound. Yes, it's 1 pound of bacon. I'm going to use the whole thing. This is the best sandwich, and I'm so happy when my tomatoes come into season. I love them so much. They're so much better than store-bought tomatoes. Let's get the bacon started. Okay. Gotta get some sizzle going. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. You know this is gonna be delicious. Dump that bacon. Ooh, got two stuck together there. We'll fix them. We'll fix them. Whatever bacon I don't use right now, I'm gonna have for leftovers, which we love. Let me separate those a little bit. Smell that in the morning outside. It's cold out. It's 39 degrees. I don't know what the temperature is where you're from. We're in Pennsylvania right now. You got a Blackstone grill? Of course you can make it on your frying pan. And wait till you see how I make my toast. Did you notice I don't have a toaster out here, but I have bread? This is the best ever. Mayo. What's up with this bacon? Got some small slices there, that's all right. Oh, this smells delicious. Is that enough for you? I have this on medium heat right now. Meantime, I'll cut up one of my beautiful tomatoes. Which one? Big one, little one? I think this one right here. Because he's smiling at me. I guess I only need one because I'm only going to have 2 sandwiches. Remember, this is the Blackstone Grill. You move them around a little bit. Delicious. Got my perfect tomato all sliced up, ready to go. Let's peel off some lettuce leaves and get ready. BLT. That's probably enough for 2 sandwiches, you think? Now comes the fun part. We got our bacon grease on here. Perfect. One a little bit crunchier, crispier. I love this Blackstone grill. Make this in your frying pan though. Beautiful outside. Now while they finish crisping up, I'm gonna make my toast. And you notice there's no toaster out here, but I could bring my toaster outside. And this Pepperidge farmhouse bread. What am I gonna do with it? I'm gonna do this. Bacon toasted. Toast. Is that good for you? I do say, if it's not, it's gonna be sure delicious. Come on. By the time the toast is nice and toasty with bacon grease, the bacon's gonna be ready. Okay, did you ever have this? I don't think you did. Are you going to? You might. Give it a couple minutes on each side. What do you think? Oh, look at this. Just look at that. Let me turn that down. Oh, come on. All right, you come down here. You come down here. You go up there. Rotate. Come on, bacon. You can do it. And I like the smother of mayo. Oh, salt and pepper. Let me go get that. Look at this. Best sandwich ever. All right, pay attention to that bread. Look at it. Look at it. And true to the name, I always have to have mine in order. I have to have bacon, lettuce, and tomato. I have to. If not, it's either an LTB or a BTL or this is BLT. All right, let's turn down the heat over there. And here we go. Remember, I love the mayo. Put some mayo. I'm going to do one at a time, okay? I don't want to be a hog. Mayo. Bacon. Lettuce. And tomato. Oh. Mayo on top. Oh, come on, this is so good. Don't forget the salt and pepper right now. Hurry up. Time is wasting. That's it. My perfect BLT on a Blackstone Grill for breakfast, made just for you. And I have a second one here. I'm going to wait. Keep that warm. Even though it's a little chilly out, I'm going to eat outside anyway, okay? You want to see me have a bite of this. This beautiful thing. Then I'm going to have another one too. Join me. I'm not going to cut it, but I could. Oh, it's so delicious. I know it is. Here we go. Bacon toasted bread. Garden fresh tomatoes. Now go make yourself one of these, or two. This will probably hold me over till we get to the Garlic Fest in a couple hours. Maybe I'll see you there. I'll take my camera and I'll show you what it's like. Garlic everything. Garlic ice cream, garlic lollipops, garlic. We're gonna buy some garlic. You have to try this. It's delicious. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by, having breakfast with me. I'll see you later. I'm gonna eat the second one too. See ya. Bye.